Good morning. I just wanted to give you an idea of what is in my refrigerators. I have two of them, one here in the kitchen, one in the garage. So I'll show you those today. And I did my morning workout. I did 2 miles. I did running and walking. Walk, run. And I do breathing exercises as well when I'm doing those 2 miles. I do breath holds. That's another video. I'll talk about that. It really helps your cell oxygenation, okay, by breath holding. And then I did some body weight exercises, did some push-ups, did some squats, did some Supermans. So I had my lemonades, the first thing I'll have in the morning. So I'm just finishing that up. Nothing like lemonade to start your day. Much better for you than coffee, okay? Lemonade gets the intestinal tract cleaned out. Alkalizing. Even though it's a citric acid fruit, it alkalizes your body. And it also pulls uric acid crystals out of your body. It helps clean your joints. So if you want to get more flexible, lemon juice first thing in the morning. And then you can also, do it during the day. I don't like to mix it that much with other sweet fruit. No, that wouldn't be a good idea. But if you, wait 2, 3 hours, 4 hours or whatever, then the lemon juice is okay again. So here's my Wearing Pro juicer, my citrus juicer. Let me show you this. Okay, so basically, you just cut your oranges in half, and it's not that loud, it's not too bad, and just stick it on top. And what happens, the pulp, some of the pulp will go down into the juice. It can go through the machine, and some of the pulp is caught in this top basket. And you can eat the pulp right out of the top here. And just spit the pits into your empty orange half. That's how that works, and that's a great juicer. Wearing Pro Citrus Juicer. So that was what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oranges, and I've got like, 12 ounces, maybe more here. This is a good sized glass. And I'll usually have about 3 of these every morning. So, at least a quart of orange juice. Sometimes I'll do more, even half a gallon sometimes. But usually 2 or 3 glasses is okay. I had a pit in there. But anyway, great stuff. Florida citrus. And I can get this pretty much 9 months out of the year, maybe even more sometimes, 10, 11 months. It's amazing. And so, orange season, citrus seasons is usually January, February, March, April. So you can buy this anywhere in the world because there's citrus from California, from different parts of the world, and if you get a good juicer, you're going to love it. So remember, bananas are going to be your staple. You need bananas all the time, but having a good supply of fruit is key to your success on a vegan diet and a high fruitarian vegan diet. So you need, because that's where you're going to get the bulk of your calories, from fruit. So it's a much better source than trying to get it from potatoes and things like that. So you'll see the difference. You'll feel a lot better. You'll have less acidosis in your body. Your body will tend to be more alkaline when you're eating the fruit. Okay, in the kitchen fridge, I've got a papaya, pineapple, some more oranges. I've got some bananas here, nice and ripe. I've got some red seedless grapes there in the back, some lemons for my lemonade in the morning. I love lemonade. I've got half a head of cabbage there, 4 avocados, more bananas down below, watermelon that I have to finish today, and down below here I've got my lettuces. I've got 2 heads of romaine there, some celery, and some carrots. And over here, I've got a head of green leaf lettuce, a squash, some cucumbers, some ginger, and more carrots. And then here, I've got my nuts and my seeds. But remember, low-fat diet is going to be key. So I don't eat a lot of this. Very, very little portions, okay? Eat this in moderation because fat is fat. Granted, these are good fats, but you have to eat them in moderation. And then over here, I've got a few tomatoes, some more oranges, and I've got more bananas here. Basically, I put my real ripe bananas, my spotted freckled bananas, once they get to that point, I put them in the fridge, and then I have a constant rotation. Like here, I've got my green, some of them have some green on them, my yellow bananas, and let them ripen up. This is the fridge in my garage. I feel very blessed that, I've got 2 refrigerators. So I keep all my citrus usually in here with watermelons down below. And I'm on my last watermelon. And we're in full citrus season now in Florida, which is great. I mean, these oranges here, these are pineapple oranges. Awesome. Very sweet and so much juice in them. And one thing I recommend when you drink orange juice, make sure that, you eat the pulp or put the pulp in the juice. Eat it. The machine I have, I eat it right out of the machine. Just take a little plastic spoon and eat it. But you need the pulp with the juice. You don't want just pure juice. And so normally I would have 2 watermelons down here. And watermelon is coming April. Local watermelons, Florida watermelons. Right now, I'm getting watermelons from Mexico and Central America. And, and oh, by the way, too, these are Hamlin oranges. Very good. These are so sweet. Fantastic oranges. Okay, over here, I've got some star fruit and some sapodilla. If you've never had sapodilla, it's spelled Sapodilla or sapodilla. Sapodilla is the way it would be pronounced, I believe, in Spanish. Here are a couple of grapefruits and some Myers lemons. And this is here's my lemonade. I have this every morning. So I love lemonade. And right in there is 5 lemons, 5 or 6 lemons, water, and some honey, and that's it. But also the pulp is in there. The lemon pulp is in that juice as well. So yeah, to get back to these sapodillas, they are so good. They taste like a pear with cinnamon. Delicious. They're in the same family as mamey sapote. They're so good. Star fruit. If you've never had it, it's really nice. It's got a citrusy taste to it. More juice than the juiciest apple you've ever had. It kind of reminds me of the same consistency of an apple when you're eating it. And you can basically chew up the seeds and just swallow those as well. It's delicious, really juicy. It's a machine I use for juicing my oranges. That's a Waring Pro. And if you don't have a citrus juicer, I highly recommend you get one. Now this one was not that cheap, but it was like $100 or $120, something like that. But man, this thing is awesome. It juices so easy. It's a great machine. And, I just love citrus. But remember, eat that pulp. Give this video a like, a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends. All the best. Have a great one. Make it a great one today, okay? Take care. Here comes Joanne. Come on. She doesn't want to come in. Beautiful wife. Adios.